It's early morning, and I admit to been having very rough nights lately. My body has failed to put sickness at bay. I find it hard sometimes to slow down when I need to take a step back and agree that it's impossible to be 100 at all times. I have learned that sometimes our burdens and situations will wear us down, and that's okay. But it's also important to find peaceful moments among the chaos, quiet moments to hold for love and joy and rejuvenation of mind, body, and soul. It's good to spend some time just being, and I wouldn't be grateful enough to have a partner to lift me up when I'm down, and when I can't seem to find solace to slow down and let nature take its course. If we are all just waiting around for things to be just right, for us to heal and to be at peace, then we are never going to get there. So I decided to accept the healing that all these plants are generously offering, asking nothing in return. I hope you will allow yourself this week to be at peace, to take time for yourself and find contentment when it's hard, sending some love and light in every single moment.